Hello viewers, I want to show you how to dark mode on WhatsApp. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First open your Play Store. Now update your WhatsApp. I am already update WhatsApp. Now storage, clear cache and clear data. Tap on allow all permission. Okay, now restart your phone. Now open your WhatsApp app. Open your setting WhatsApp. Choice theme.